In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 common gear shifting mistakes I see new riders make, and I will share how to fix them. So hang tight. Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy, and welcome to my channel, where I pass on riding tips, practice drills, and defensive riding strategies. Now, I'm a rider coach, a motorcycle sergeant, and owner and instructor at ProRider Central Texas, where we teach police riding skills to civilian riders. When I teach the basic rider course, there are 3 mistakes I see when it comes to shifting gears. So I decided to make a video that might help. The first one is not having enough speed or RPMs before shifting. Now, what usually happens is that riders will be a little hesitant taking off, and then they will shift gears before they get their speed up. Then when they finally shift gears, the motorcycle starts to sputter. Now, let me explain why not having enough speed or RPMs before shifting gears is a problem. When your speed is already slow and you put in the clutch to shift gears, you remove power from the rear wheel. So the motorcycle is actually coasting from the time you disengage the clutch, which slows the motorcycle even more. Now, depending on when to shift gears may vary depending on what type of motorcycle you're riding. But it's best to judge by the sound and feel of the engine. Now, when you increase your speed, the engine's pitch will increase. Now, when the pitch is high, it's usually time to shift gears. This next video will show my RPMs and my speed when I shift. Now, you'll be able to tell when I change gears because the RPMs will rise and then drop after I change gears. Now, there is some wind noise, but you may also be able to hear my engine. Now I'm going to show the video again a little bit slower. And this time I want you to notice that I usually shift around 4,100 RPMs. My shift from first gear to second gear is around 30 miles per hour. From second to third gear is around 40 miles per hour. And from third to fourth gear is around 50 miles per hour. Now again, your shifts may vary depending on your motorcycle. Now, the second thing is not having your foot in the right location after taking off. After taking off, many riders put their left foot on top of the foot peg. Then when it's time to shift, they have a hard time finding the shift lever and getting their foot under the shift lever, which delays the shift and increases the time the clutch is disengaged. So once the motorcycle starts to move, I immediately place my foot under the shift lever, because I know I'm going to be shifting gears. And also by doing this, it will speed up your shifts. Now, I will demonstrate this in this next video. Now, the third thing is that riders will not shift hard enough. Now, this is usually because they think the shift lever will shift more than 1 gear at a time, which is not the case. The shift lever is designed to only shift 1 gear at a time. So when shifting gears, you need to have hard shifts, especially when shifting from first gear to second gear or downshifting from second gear back to first gear. This will prevent you from accidentally shifting into neutral, which tends to happen when you press too softly on the shift lever. Now, this next video will show how hard my shifts are when I'm shifting gears. Now, I want to thank you for watching, and I really hope this video helps. If so, let me know in the comment section below. And until next time, practice, 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 and ride safe.